Remove the wheel, use a 7/8 socket or a 22mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. And take the wheel off. Take this nut off for the sway bar link. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench, and to keep the stud from spinning, I'm going to use a T40 socket. And loosen it up. Helps to use a ratchet wrench once you get it loose. Take that nut off and slide that out. With the bottom nut, you're going to do the same as the top. Use an 18mm wrench around the nut, and then use the T40 socket to keep the stud from spinning. It's just a little harder to access. Take this nut off and slide the link out. Now slide the link in, put the nut on, and this link has an area where you can take a wrench and put it on the back side of the stud, so it's a little easier to install. Then if you can fit a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that nut to 48 foot-pounds. Now take the link and slide it through the strut hole. If you have to use a pry bar, just pry down on the stabilizer bar, slide it on, and tighten the top one the same way you did the bottom one. And torque the nut to 48 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 111 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again, double check.